Ever wondered why women start to miss you the most at certain times? Let's dive into the powerful moments that trigger these feelings. By addressing a common curiosity about relationships and emotional dynamics, we can engage viewers right from the start. Understanding why these feelings arise is crucial for fostering healthy connections. Throughout this video, we'll explore how specific triggers can evoke strong emotions and longing, especially during moments of reflection or change. We'll also reveal how Stoic philosophy can provide insights into these emotional patterns, helping you cultivate deeper connections and personal growth. So, stay tuned for actionable insights that will help you navigate your relationships with clarity and wisdom. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of emotional attachment and how to enhance your interactions with others. Understanding emotional attachment. Defining emotional attachment. Emotional attachment refers to the deep bonds we form with others, characterized by affection, care, and a sense of connection. In romantic relationships, these attachments can significantly influence our feelings and behaviors. They develop through shared experiences, intimacy, and mutual support, creating a strong emotional tie that can lead to feelings of comfort and security. Impact of connection. When distance or separation occurs, the strong connection we've built can trigger feelings of loss and longing. This is especially true when one partner feels the absence of the other, making the heart yearn for what it has lost. Moments of nostalgia or reflection can heighten these feelings, leading to a stronger sense of missing someone who once played a significant role in one's life. Stoic perspective. From a Stoic viewpoint, it's essential to recognize these attachments and understand their effects on our emotional well-being. Stoicism teaches us to maintain a balanced perspective, reminding us that while connections are valuable, our happiness should not be solely dependent on others. This awareness allows us to navigate our emotions with greater resilience and clarity, fostering healthier relationships. The first moment, when she realizes she values you. Self-reflection. Moments of solitude can serve as powerful catalysts for self-reflection. When she has space away from you, she may take the time to evaluate her emotions and the dynamics of your relationship. This introspection often leads her to reassess her feelings and consider what she truly values in her life. Recognizing value. During this period of self-reflection, she may come to realize the unique contributions you make to her life. Whether it's your support, sense of humor, or emotional connection, these qualities can become more apparent in your absence. As she reflects on the moments you've shared, she might start to miss the depth and richness you bring to her everyday experiences, prompting a shift in her feelings. Stoic insight. Relating this to Stoic philosophy, the practice of understanding one's values becomes crucial. Stoics encourage individuals to reflect on what truly matters to them, fostering a sense of clarity and purpose. By recognizing the importance of relationships and the value they add to life, she can cultivate a deeper appreciation for you, ultimately strengthening her emotional attachment. The second moment, after a conflict cooling off period. Following a conflict, a brief distance can create a cooling off period that allows both partners to step back and reflect on the situation. This time apart provides the necessary space for emotional processing and can help reduce the intensity of immediate feelings like anger or frustration. Understanding feelings. As she takes the time to contemplate the conflict, she may begin to miss your presence. In the quiet moments of reflection, she might realize how much she values the connection you share and the comfort of your companionship. This reassessment can reveal insights into the relationship dynamics, allowing her to recognize the importance of your role in her life and how conflicts can sometimes obscure those feelings. Stoic perspective. From a Stoic viewpoint, this process aligns with the principles of rational thought and self-control. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of responding to conflicts with wisdom rather than letting emotions dictate actions. By practicing self-reflection during this cooling-off period, she can gain clarity, leading to healthier communication and a stronger bond when you reconnect. This practice ultimately encourages personal growth and emotional maturity within the relationship. The third moment, when she sees you. Moving on perception of loss. Witnessing you moving on can be a significant wake-up call for her. Whether it's seeing you engage in new activities, date someone else, or simply appear happier, these moments can trigger profound feelings of loss and regret. The realization that you are no longer waiting for her may bring to the surface emotions she had previously suppressed or ignored. Realization of attachment. This moment often leads her to confront her attachment to you. As she observes you moving forward, she might start to recognize the depth of her feelings and the desire for reconnection. The fear of losing someone she once took for granted can compel her to reconsider the relationship and what it truly meant to her. This realization can stir a longing for the intimacy and connection that now seems to be slipping away. Stoic insight. From a Stoic perspective, this situation highlights the understanding of impermanence. Stoics teach that nothing lasts forever and that change is an inherent part of life. This fear of losing something valuable can be a powerful motivator for personal growth and reflection, urging her to assess her feelings and actions more deeply before it's too late. The fourth moment. During special occasions, nostalgia. During celebrations, special occasions, such as holidays or milestones, can evoke a profound sense of nostalgia. During these times, she might find herself reflecting on the experiences you shared, feeling the weight of memories that were once joyful. The emotional significance of these occasions can intensify her feelings of longing, making her acutely aware of your absence. Reflection on shared memories. As she navigates through these celebrations, the memories of your time together can come flooding back. Whether it's the way you celebrated birthdays, anniversaries, or simply shared moments of joy, these reflections can highlight the bond you both had. In these moments, she may miss not just you, but also the sense of security and happiness your presence brought to her life. Stoic perspective. The Stoic philosophy encourages individuals to cherish meaningful memories while also accepting change. Embracing the beauty of shared experiences allows her to appreciate what the relationship brought to her life. However, Stoicism also teaches the importance of moving forward, accepting that while those memories are significant, they are part of a past that cannot be changed. This balance can empower her to find peace in the present and foster personal growth moving forward. The fifth moment, when she faces challenges. Seeking support. Difficult times in life often prompt a yearning for support and companionship, which can lead her to reflect on the strength of your past relationship. When faced with adversity, be it personal issues, work-related stress, or family troubles, she may find herself longing for the comfort and understanding you once provided. This craving for connection can bring her to reconsider the significance of your presence in her life. Emotional vulnerability. In moments of struggle, her emotional walls may come down, allowing her to acknowledge the depth of her feelings. The vulnerability that arises during tough times can highlight how important you were in helping her navigate challenges. The absence of your supportive presence can create a stark realization of how much she relied on you, leading to feelings of regret or longing. Stoic insight. From a Stoic standpoint, this situation emphasizes the principle of resilience. Stoics teach that challenges are part of life, and seeking support from those who care is a natural response. While facing difficulties, recognizing the value of meaningful connections can empower her to reach out, fostering growth and understanding of the relationships that truly matter. The sixth moment, when she's around friends. Influence of peers. Spending time with friends can significantly impact her emotions and perceptions about relationships. During social gatherings, discussions often revolve around love, loss, and connection. Conversations with peers can evoke memories of your time together, triggering feelings of nostalgia and longing for what you once shared. This influence can heighten her awareness of her own emotional state. Comparison and reflection. As she interacts with friends, she might unconsciously compare her current situation to her past relationship with you. Hearing stories of other couples or reflecting on shared experiences can lead her to reassess her own feelings. This comparative lens may prompt her to miss the unique bond and companionship you provided, realizing that her current circumstances lack the depth and connection she once enjoyed. Stoic perspective. In the context of Stoicism, this highlights the idea of social dynamics and how external influences shape our emotions. Stoics emphasize the importance of self-awareness and reflection, encouraging her to recognize how external comparisons can affect her feelings. This understanding can lead to greater emotional clarity and help her navigate her feelings with wisdom, empowering her to make informed decisions about her relationships. The seventh moment. After a major life change, life transitions. Significant life changes, such as moving to a new city, starting a new job, or experiencing personal growth, often lead to profound self-reflection. During these transitions, she may find herself reassessing her past relationships, including yours. The upheaval of familiar routines and environments can trigger thoughts about the comfort and stability that your connection once provided. As she navigates these new experiences, memories of the bond you shared may surface, prompting a longing for those times. Coping with change. Life transitions can be overwhelming, and in seeking solace, she might look back to familiar connections that once brought her comfort. The desire for emotional stability during times of uncertainty can lead her to consider reaching out to you. This recognition of your past relationship as a source of support can reignite feelings she thought had faded. Stoic insight. From a Stoic perspective, adapting to change is an essential part of life. Stoics emphasize the importance of resilience and the understanding that change is inevitable. Recognizing the need for emotional support during transitions aligns with Stoic principles, encouraging her to seek meaningful connections that can provide comfort and clarity as she navigates her evolving circumstances. The eighth moment, when she sees you happy. Observing your joy. Seeing you happy and thriving in your life can evoke a complex mix of emotions, including jealousy and longing. Your contentment may serve as a stark reminder of what she may have lost, amplifying her feelings of attachment. In moments where she witnesses your joy, whether through social media or in person, the realization of her feelings can become overwhelming. She might find herself reflecting on the happiness you once shared together, leading to a sense of yearning for that connection. Realizing your value. Your happiness can shine a light on her own emotional state, prompting her to recognize the value you brought into her life. This acknowledgement may lead her to reassess her feelings and desires, igniting a desire for reconnection as she contemplates the qualities she once appreciated in you. This moment can trigger a realization that her emotional landscape is influenced by your well-being. Stoic perspective. Stoicism teaches the importance of celebrating others' happiness while maintaining awareness of one's own emotional state. By focusing on the joy of others, she can cultivate a sense of gratitude and perspective, reinforcing her understanding of what truly matters in relationships. This philosophical approach encourages her to embrace her feelings without losing sight of her own path and growth. The ninth moment. During quiet moments, reflection in solitude. Quiet moments alone can be powerful for self-reflection, allowing her to delve into her feelings and evaluate her emotional landscape. During these times, she may find herself thinking about the absence of your presence in her life, leading to a greater awareness of her emotions. Solitude provides the space needed for contemplation, often prompting a deeper understanding of her needs and desires, including the comfort and support you once offered. Understanding loneliness. As she sits in silence, the reality of loneliness can set in, making her acutely aware of the emotional void left by your absence. This newfound clarity can lead her to recognize how your presence enriched her life. It's in these quiet moments that she may fully grasp the emotional bond you shared, triggering feelings of nostalgia and longing for what once was. Stoic insight. The Stoic practice of self-reflection emphasizes the importance of understanding one's emotions and the role of companionship in fostering emotional well-being. By engaging in thoughtful introspection, she can better comprehend her feelings, enabling her to navigate her emotional journey with greater clarity and purpose. Stoicism encourages individuals to acknowledge their feelings while focusing on personal growth and acceptance. Practical advice for navigating these moments. Maintaining self-respect. It's crucial to maintain self-respect and confidence during moments of emotional upheaval. Remind yourself of your worth and the values you uphold in relationships. Practice self-care routines that nurture your emotional health, whether through hobbies, exercise, or connecting with supportive friends. Cultivating a sense of independence and self-love can empower you to navigate feelings of longing or regret with resilience. Effective communication. If she reaches out during these moments, prioritize clear and honest communication. Express your feelings and intentions openly, emphasizing your desire for mutual understanding and respect. Setting healthy boundaries while discussing emotions can create a safe space for both of you to express your thoughts without pressure. Stoic practice. Encourage viewers to adopt Stoic techniques such as mindfulness and reflection during emotional challenges. Mindfulness helps in acknowledging feelings without becoming overwhelmed by them. Additionally, journaling can provide a powerful outlet for processing emotions, allowing for self-reflection and clarity. Engaging with Stoic philosophy fosters resilience, enabling individuals to navigate the complexities of relationships with wisdom and grace. As we wrap up, I invite you to reflect on your own experiences. Have you ever found yourself missing someone during specific moments? How did distance influence those feelings for you? Sharing your stories in the comments can foster a community of learning and support, where we can all gain insights from one another's experiences. Remember, understanding the dynamics of emotional distance and the moments that trigger feelings of longing can empower you to cultivate healthier relationships. By applying Stoic wisdom to these experiences, you can navigate your emotions with clarity and purpose. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and personal growth, knowing that each moment of reflection brings you closer to understanding yourself and the connections you value. Stay tuned for more insights, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that inspires and guides you on your path to emotional well-being.